MP ke Tura saling sang maula Dawa badai ben le ai no mardor ban itu ikitu ki bedon keti ban ailat di Trok ki beket Palat put ban ya hari lom Garo. Habis keren bekilap petai kubor sang maula pen pau ke jing sokia halor ke jing jot ratai jong ke surok ba National Highway 62 bat ke jing ma ke bami na kini ki Trok. Ulakan thok persai ke sorkar jela ke bom shimlala ban le halor ke ni ke pang ba ulak ke doru ya ke jing bom la jong ke tanak transport ban pentri kami ke rai jong ke ying bishar ke bakli do jong ke ri ke belabu bagi Trok kim dei ban kit Palat ya ke kendai ton usang maula antat ru bakala bandon ke jing menjur jengmut lang hapadeng keributan ke jela Meghalaya bat kari Bangladesh ban ailat ya kini Trok bakiniat hindre ulapin inyaru bahkan kampai ki bakin pendon kam dakalenti na West Bengal.
I think there might have been some agreement with Meghalaya, Bhutan, and then Bangladesh. Maybe that's why they are applying to our state. There should have been, if there is any deviation from that, from Bhutan to Bangladesh via Siliguri or via West Bengal would happen much better, because our state is a very small state and we don't have a proper communication, and then especially the road conditions is very bad. As I've told you already regarding that NH62, if this only remaining NH51 is damaged by this Bhutani truck, that means our economy system will be very, very in a bad state. So what I'm feeling is that though they might have some kind of a tri-party agreement with Meghalaya, Bhutan, India, and then Bangladesh, but it doesn't mean that they should overload and then take advantage of the situation.